Hello everybody, this is Evil Spear, and welcome to Oser, the Insult Simulator. We're doing a tournament thing. So yeah, we're doing this because I wanted someone in between the Escapist series.
I'm Nigel. How'd you do?
Alright.
I wish to complain about this parrot I purchased. The Norwegian blue? What's wrong with it? It's dead. That's what's wrong with it.
Okay.
No. It's resting.
You don't say that. You're wise. Doesn't... Here we go.
Your wife doesn't own a colour telly and is silly. Ooh. This parrot has a steaming romp with your mother. Oh.
And there.
Your son admires pictures of your face and is very naughty and is not migratory. Ooh. Your sister changes into,
Correct. Your hat. I'm not even. Plays hidden object games. And has a steaming rump with a lumberjack. Get wrecked new.
Your mother plays hidden object games and has a steaming romp with a lumberjack.
What is that? Jeez, man.
Ooh.
Get wrecked.
Your hat stalked a cheap suit.
Yeah, man. That's not good. Your sister. Okay. And how is that possible? How can a cousin? And talks to strangers. Boom. Get wrecked.
Your sister tells dirty jokes at funerals and eats only non-gluten lembas and talks to strangers.
Oh, jeez, man. Get wrecked.
Ooh.
You're
Your cousin's
back.
car farted on your math teacher.
Oh, boo-hoo.
Oh.
I hated my math teacher. No, I'm joking. If she's even watching this. In your house bothers me.
Your sense of style is dull and ugly, and your house bothers me.
Jesus.
Ouch!
Yeah!
Your sister
That would be it
farted
for
on
part one.
your hat. Ah, you are clearly not a parrot expert. I can assure you I am qualified to assess his mood. I'm sorry, you were right all along. He's probably just pining for the fjords.
Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Only 5 minutes, gosh.